Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's me Faiza Sheikh and you are watching the Faiza's learning class about the writing process. Today I'm going to discuss about the stages of the writing. These stages are too much important for every person, for every student. They are कंसर्न विद द एकेडमिक्स। तो यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे द राइटिंग प्रोसेस के स्टेजेस जो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं बट दे डोंट नो हाउ दे स्टार्ट, हाउ दे ड्राफ्ट एंड हाउ दे रिवाइज एंड एडिटिंग एंड पब्लिशिंग ऑफ द राइटिंग। सो हियर बी कंसिडर्ड। मैं यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर रही हूँ राइटिंग प्रोसेस। फर्स्ट वन इज़ प्रे राइटिंग। प्रे राइटिंग मीन्स ब्रेन स्टॉर्म ideas and organize your topic. It means think about what you want to say. Talk about your ideas with a friend to find a main idea. It means you can communicate with your friends. You can get information from any resources. Use a list or web to organize your ideas. And number two is drafting. It means create a rough copy of your writing. Whatever you are thinking, you will write on your paper. Write your ideas in order, read your work out loud in note. Place where you stumble, ask a friend for his or her feedback. Okay? Whenever you are writing, and what are you writing? So it means that you will check, repeat once again, and show your teachers, show your friends what they are giving you feedback. Next one is revising. Improve your writing. It is one of the important tool. Whatever you have done, whatever you have write, it means you should be revise more and more and find the mistakes. Try out different beginnings and ending. Use quotes and adds, dialogues, include descriptive words and details to develop important parts. That is important. Next one is editing. आप खुद एडिटिंग कर सकते हैं अपने जो राइटिंग प्रोसेस की। प्रूफ रीड योर वर्क। मेक श्योर यू हैव कंप्लीट सेंटेंसेस, करेक्ट स्पेलिंग एंड नेसेसरी कैपिटलाइजेशंस एंड पंक्चुएशन। दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट। रीड टू सी, reread to see if each sentences make sense. इतनी दफ़ा रीड आउट करें कि यू फाइंड सेंस ऑफ ओवरऑल ऑफ योर राइटिंग. Read to see if each sentence makes sense. Ask a friend to proofread your work. Okay. एडिटिंग करते वक्त बहुत सारी चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. मीन्स स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक ना हो, ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक ना हो, आपकी जो कैपिटलाइजेशन जो है वो अच्छी होनी चाहिए. देन आपका सेंस अच्छा होना चाहिए. मेन आइडिया जो है या मेन थीम जो है वो प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए. अगर मेक श्योर कि यू विल satisfied, तो it means कि your writing is going to good. Last one is publishing. Publishing, it is one of the last end of the stage. Create a clean final copy. If you are satisfied, you have done the 4 stages: pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing. So now you are going to publish your essay, publish your article, create a clean final copy. It is the copy. Type your writing or copy it neatly onto new paper. Think of an interesting title. Share your writing. तो it means there are 5 stages. मैंने आपको यहाँ पे 5 stages जो हैं 1 by 1 बता दिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.